Hello everyone, Namaskaram. Welcome to my channel VPK Nutrition, Mind Body Healing with Pushpa. I'm coming to you today from my balcony in the city in Chicago, and this week we're having a heat wave. The temperatures in the 90s and almost hit 105 yesterday at one point. So I thought this would be a good time to talk about some of the foods and beverages that we should be eating during this time to keep ourselves cool and balanced. So stay tuned to find out more. Welcome back everyone. Again, as you can see, I'm back inside the house because it was really hot outside. First of all, I want to thank all of my viewers for watching regularly and giving me feedback. For those who haven't already done so, please do consider subscribing. And also if you like it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family so others can be benefited from what I'm sharing. So let's get started with today's episode. So summer is a season when it is very, very hot. And again, the predominant Mahabhutas or the elements are Agni, which is fire, and Vayu, which is air. So naturally, these two elements cause a lot of heat to build up in the body and also cause dryness, which makes things feel even worse. So after the spring season, when we have pacified the kapha in the body, when the snow melts and allergy season is over, the digestion actually starts to pick up a little bit, starts to get a little bit better in the summertime. However, it's still kind of weak, maybe medium Agni, again depends on the person of course. So naturally we have to pick some lighter foods to slowly incorporate some nourishment into the body. So we want to make sure you pick light foods which are also nourishing and cooling for the body. So in today's episode, I'm going to be talking about these foods and beverages. And again, I'm going to use my emoji to do that. So let's begin. Number one, eat light and easily digestible foods in small quantities at every meal. Number two, choose sweet foods which are cooling for pitta, not the refined sugars and desserts, but naturally sweet fruits and vegetables. Number three, eat unctuous or moist foods with cooling properties. Use some oil in cooking and add some ghee to your meals. Number four, eat grains like rice and lentils like mung dal, which are easy to digest. Again, make sure you pay attention to the quantity based on your Agni or your metabolism. If you feel bloated, then again cut down the quantities. Number five, choose fruits that are sweet and juicy, not sour. Again, pick fruits in season. They could be fruits like grapes, berries, watermelon, cantaloupe, honeydew, or even mangoes, depending on where you live. Number six, choose sweet and juicy veggies like carrots, sweet potatoes, cucumbers, squashes, zucchini, ash gourd or winter melon, or any of these kinds of vegetables that are available where you live. So always pick seasonal vegetables. Number seven, drink plenty of water. You can drink room temperature or warm water, whichever your preference is. You can also make some herbal teas with cooling spices like coriander and fennel, or even drink coriander or fennel soaked water first thing in the morning in a copper cup to keep your body cool. Number eight, drink other beverages like coconut water for the electrolytes, then also fruit juices like pomegranate juice, lime juice, mango juice, aloe vera juice, etc. And buttermilk beaten with some spices and a lot of water is also very cooling and nourishing for this time of year. Number nine, milk is considered to be very cooling in nature. So you can have a cup of warm milk at night with a pinch of turmeric, nutmeg, and a little bit of sugar, which will help you have a good night's sleep if you have trouble falling asleep. And also you can use other non-dairy milks like almond or oat milk if you prefer. Number 10, limit salty, pungent, and sour tastes because these have the fire element in them, and this can aggravate pitta quite a bit. Number 11, avoid chilies, jalapenos, cayenne pepper, etc., which are extremely heating in nature and can cause a lot of dryness in the body. Number 12, avoid high fat, high sugary foods because our digestion is very low, the Agni is very low and weak, so this could make you more sluggish. Check out some Ayurvedic friendly recipes for salads like chickpea salad packed with plant protein, Indian version of summer salad, and also some black bean salsa with corn. And again, these recipes are available on my Instagram page. I've shared the links in the description. Check them out for this summer. Hope you enjoyed today's episode and also learned some diet tips to follow this summer. Remember, it's very important to keep ourselves in balance and keep ourselves cool and moist in the summer. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a lot of accumulation of pitta in the body, aggravation of pitta. Aggravation of pitta leads to a lot of digestive issues. It can lead to even skin problems, and mentally it can cause a lot of stress, leading to anger, irritability, etc. So again, we want to avoid all of these things. And the next season, which is fall, is when the Vata season begins. So if the pitta has accumulated for such a long time, Vata season is going to get even worse, and you'll end up with a lot more problems. So it's always important to stick to the season and eat and live according to the season, the way nature provides for us. So next week, I'm going to be sharing some lifestyle tips also to follow in the summer. So have a wonderful week ahead. Listen to your body, observe your mind, and help yourself. And see you next week with a new episode. Have a wonderful summer. Enjoy it.